Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your freelance growth with LinkedIn Learning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current freelance skills and identifying areas for improvement. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the LinkedIn Learning platform. Use the search bar to find courses relevant to your skill gaps or desired growth areas. Review the course descriptions, focusing on the duration and content outline. Select a course that aligns with your freelance goals and click on it to start. Familiarize yourself with the course format, whether it includes videos, quizzes, or practical exercises. Take notes while watching the video lessons to reinforce your understanding. Engage with any interactive elements the course offers, such as discussions or assignments. Complete the course at your own pace, ensuring you grasp each concept before moving on. Once finished, reflect on what you have learned and how it applies to your freelance work. Update your LinkedIn profile to showcase any new skills or certifications acquired through LinkedIn Learning. Network with fellow freelancers and professionals in your field by sharing insights from the course. Consider applying what you've learned in small projects to gain practical experience. Seek feedback from clients or peers to further refine your skills. Continuously revisit LinkedIn Learning for more advanced courses as you progress in your freelance career. Monitor your freelance growth by setting tangible milestones based on your newly acquired skills. Adjust your learning strategy as needed to keep pace with industry changes and emerging trends. Stay proactive by engaging with the LinkedIn Learning community for additional resources and support. By consistently investing in your education, you will enhance your freelance capabilities and achieve greater success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.